Hey guys, what's up? So today, my friend Melissa asked me to install some decals on her Jeep. Decals can be tricky, especially when they're multi-piece, so I figured I'd make a quick time-lapse video and explain the method I use when installing decals. There are a few different methods, but the one that I use quite often is a dry hinge application. I find this works well for most small to medium-sized decals. The decals in this case are going on the hood, so what I have to do first is find the center point of the hood. After I find that center point, I lay everything out by measurements and attach it temporarily with blue painter's tape. Then I take a step back and look at it and readjust it by eye if necessary. Once we're satisfied with the layout, the application begins. In the hinge method I use, I apply a piece of painter's tape across the whole decal, either widthwise or lengthwise, depending on the decal. Then I peel one side back and expose the sticky surface to the decal and transfer tape. I then use a scissor to cut away the backing paper, and then with a plastic squeegee, smooth the transfer tape and decal in one motion as to eliminate the possibility of air getting trapped underneath. When one side is down, I remove the painter's tape and repeat the application on the other side. Once the other side is down, the transfer tape is carefully peeled back and your decals are applied. Nice and easy. In the case of the hummingbird graphic, I noticed that there was a piece of the decal that was kind of wrinkled up underneath the transfer tape. So after I applied it and peeled the transfer tape back, I was able to take a sharp razor blade and make a small slice across the area that was sticking up, peel it back and smooth it down, and you don't even see it anymore. And that's basically it, guys. This method of installation works really well for this type of decal, and I'm even able to use it when I do windshield banners. Only when you're doing a windshield banner, you just have to take a little bit more time to measure and be a little bit more careful with your application. Hope I was able to help you guys out, and see you guys on the next one.